This problem is finding the rate of change of a function. Most students are familiar with slope. Slope is the change in y over the change of x when we are talking about linear functions. So y equals mx plus b. Students typically do very well with that. They remember that. You can also find the rate of change with a nonlinear function, and that's what we're going to do right now. What you do when you're trying to find the rate of change for a nonlinear function is you are going to plug this x value in to the function. So I'm going to have h of x equals, and I'm actually finding h of 5, and that is going to give me 5 squared plus 3 times 5 plus 6. So I have just taken this 5 right here, and I have plugged it in for x in my function. So I have 5 squared, which is 25, plus 3 times 5, which is 15, plus 6. 25 plus 15 is 40, plus 6 is 46. So what I now have is I have an ordered pair. My ordered pair is 5, and the corresponding y value, or f of x value, is 46. Okay, so this is an ordered pair, and once I have an ordered pair, I can find the rate of change. So now I'm going to plug in this 10 to the same function. So I have h of 10 equals 10 squared plus 3 times 10 plus 6. Okay, 10 squared is 100. 3 times 10 is 30. And then we have plus 6. So 100 plus 30 is 130. Plus 6 is 136. So again, we have an ordered pair. So my ordered pair is 10, 136. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my change in y is in my numerator. So I'm going to take 136 and I'm going to subtract 46. Okay? 136 minus 46. And I wrote down 134. I don't know why. Sorry about that. 136 minus 46. Then I'm going to divide that by my change in x. So I started with my second point for my y. So I have to start with that second point for my x. And so now I have 10 minus 5. 136 minus 46. That gives me 90. 10 minus 5 gives me 5, and I need to simplify that, and so my simplified value here is 18. So my rate of change for this problem is 18.